Jennifer Carvajal, a 28-year-old woman from Tampa, Florida, currently in prison for a 2021 drunk driving crash that unalived her 22-year-old cousin, Pedro Carvajal, and seriously injured two others.
This investigative content contains graphic descriptions of violence and themes of loss and distress, which viewers may find.
Jennifer Carvajal, a 28-year-old woman from Tampa, Florida, was sentenced on May 30, 2025, to 67.5 years in prison for a 2021 drunk driving crash that killed her 22-year-old cousin, Pedro Carvajal, and seriously injured two others. At the time of the crash, she was on probation for a previous DUI manslaughter conviction from 2014 when she was 16 years old. 2021 fatal crash details. On April 25, 2021, Carvajal was driving at 110 miles per hour on Interstate 4 in Hillsborough County when she lost control of her vehicle. The car became airborne, crashing into a car dealership, hitting a parked truck, a concrete pole, and a palm tree before overturning. Her cousin Pedro was killed, and two other passengers sustained severe injuries. Carvajal's blood alcohol content was 0.102, above the legal limit. Prior DUI manslaughter conviction. In 2014, at age 16, Carvajal ran a red light while intoxicated, killing a 52-year-old man. She served nearly 4 years in prison and was on probation at the time of the 2021 crash. Sentencing and court proceedings. Carvajal pleaded guilty to multiple charges, including DUI manslaughter and vehicular homicide. The judge imposed a 67.5-year sentence, emphasizing her repeated offenses and the devastating impact on the victims' families. During Jennifer Carvajal's sentencing for the 2021 DUI crash that killed her cousin, Pedro Carvajal, and seriously injured two others, Pedro's family delivered emotional statements, highlighting their profound grief and the lasting impact of the tragedy. Pedro's mother, Jasmine Lopez Dominguez, expressed the deep void left by her son's death, stating, "There is a void in my heart." She emphasized the pain and suffering caused by Jennifer's decision, particularly for Pedro's son, Julian, who is now growing up without knowing his father. Pedro was remembered as a loyal friend, diligent worker, and devoted father. Jennifer Carvajal, visibly emotional during the sentencing, apologized repeatedly to Pedro's family, acknowledging, "No matter how many sorries I say to each of you, or even him, I could never forgive myself." The sentencing has sparked discussions within the community about the need for stricter measures against repeat DUI offenders and the importance of supporting victims' families. Advocates are calling for enhanced education on the dangers of impaired driving and more robust interventions to prevent such tragedies. Conclusion. Jennifer Carvajal's case is a harrowing reminder of the dangers associated with drunk driving and the potential for repeat offenses to lead to fatal consequences. The 67-year prison sentence handed down by the Florida judge not only serves to punish Carvajal for her actions, but also aims to deter others from engaging in similar reckless behavior. It emphasizes the importance of accountability in ensuring safer roads for everyone. As communities continue to grapple with the impacts of drunk driving, it is essential to prioritize preventive measures and support for those affected by these tragic incidents.